All right, Mr. Combat, you are very much welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Without much ado, could you share with us technology genesis from, say, 1,000 years ago to today's digital era?
To this question, the first thing that comes to mind, I don't know if the audience will remember in the 80s, the movie the Gods, the God Must Be Crazy. Okay, I don't know if you're familiar with that movie. Okay, it was as a young boy for me, it was a good inspiration of how human evolution is just an inspiration for technology innovation. So very quick, if we go back when our ancestors started, everything was manual, right? And progressively, they find ways to be able to do faster and better things that they have to do. That's where things became a little bit mechanical, right? And then from mechanical, everything have then progressed over years toward now what we call today technology, right? And technology can come in different forms. So I think when we look at this, that's why in our organization, our belief is that if we follow or we track, okay, the progress of technology, is only following how human is actually having some evolution, okay, over generation.
Why do we make this analogy between the human evolution and the technology innovation?
That's a good question. I will start just this way, right? So human evolution, everything started from the DNA. Okay,
Absolutely.
period. We all know that. Progressively, DNAs come together, tissue, cells, and organs, and then we
Organ
have
system.
yes, we have the beautiful bodies that we have, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if we look at that, we'll notice that the DNA actually go through three phases or go through three steps. Okay, first of all, it has to be exposed to some experiences, and from those experiences, the DNA is learning. Right, that's how the DNA develop. Okay, and then the third phase is collaborating with the other, part of the body, and contributing, right, to the ecosystem that the body has, right?
Okay.
So if we look at that, we'll see that there is a similarities with how technology is actually progressing, how innovation is coming. So our ancestor, if we go back to the Homo sapiens, right, they didn't have already the exposure of the experiences that we have today. So those experiences, those exposure are helping now technology to be able to innovate. So that's why in our one of the books that we have on Amazon, Dominate Your Competition, one of the key elements, one of the key phases in that book is the innovation matrix. And the third line of that matrix is how we help clients keep building on innovation. The first thing, the first simple question to ask, what can I do better for my customers?
Right.
Because human being is changing
every day.
and
Absolutely.
exactly, and then you can't just stay without observing that to be able to see what you can create. So that's how we make the analogy between the human evolution and technology innovation.
Well, a great person once told me the only thing that remains constant is change. So
Yes.
definitely innovation is very important.
We are growing, growing higher and higher.